Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a short demo / product review. I recently ordered this, which is the Drakware ADB2USB Adapter. Now, I didn't get paid to do this review, I just want to show you your options for connecting an ADB accessory to a modern Mac. And I bought this because it had great reviews on the internet, but of course with everything you order online it's not sure if it works. So I'm doing this review in order to test and show you if it works properly and what's possible with this little fella here. So let me move the camera a bit closer and then I'm gonna try it out for you. Okay, so just to show you once more, on the one side this has the Apple ADB port, and on the other side a micro USB port. Now I read in the instructions on their homepage that you're supposed to use a micro USB cable that is a data cable, not a power cable, and that using the wrong USB cable is actually the most common problem source. So I made sure this is a data cable by connecting my iPhone to my Mac and see if it is able to transfer data. So I will hook this up and I'll first try the mouse. Now, why did I order this in the first place? In order to test ADB accessories, because at the time I ordered this, I did not have a Macintosh SE or any ADB Mac for that matter. So I wanted to have the opportunity to try these accessories if they work properly, even without a compatible Mac. And what we see already is that the mouse is working. So the click also, obviously the right click is not working because this one doesn't have a secondary click, but that works, which is great. Now let's try the keyboard and see if that works as well. No. All right, let's maybe reconnect it. Yes. Okay, so apparently for any change in configuration you need to reconnect the whole thing in order to work properly. Let's fire up Pages and open an empty document and see if it actually is working. Yes, so even the caps lock is working, which is good. Tap special keys. As you see, it's the German layout. The numeric keypad is working. Okay. Apparently special keys like the power on off switch for classic Macs does not work in this setup, but that's not a big loss. And you will be able to try and see if this keyboard is working. Let's try one more thing. Let's try the daisy chain inside the keyboard and see if that works. Now again, the mouse does nothing. Let's reconnect the adapter itself. And it does work. Okay, so even the daisy chain works rather smoothly. Now, to summarize, again, this was a very short demo. You can test your ADB accessories with this. You can even test the daisy chain with that. Special keys like this one, or probably on other keyboards like the Apple extended keyboard, won't work, but the main keys you can test and see if they work properly.